We're premiering Balcombe Road. We meet again, and the car park is virtually empty. I'm good it works. There's no Hilton or anything for me and Matt on this channel. We do budget friendly, don't we, Matt? Yeah. See if any Christmas films on. That's much better with all the lights on. What priorities, Matt? We need to let these settle.
Oh yeah.
Before we open them.
Yeah, they're very fizzy.
So welcome to our next video. Today is Christmas Day and it's just took us 3 hours to get down to Gatwick.
Yeah, it has.
It's currently 7 o'clock in the evening. Just appreciate my Christmas jumper. That's my favourite jumper I've
Yeah,
had.
that's a brilliant Christmas jumper.
The Grinch. Even though I'm not the Grinch.
You know,
Christmas.
far from it.
So with it being Christmas Day, me and Matt haven't had, obviously, a drop of alcohol today, but we are going to now. So we've bought a Bucks Fizz and an Asti with us. So the reason why I've got Bucks Fizz is that Asti is one of our favourite bubbly drinks. We normally have a bottle of Asti and a bottle of Prosecco and we mix it half and half. But last minute decision, I said to Matt that I want to be feeling my absolute best tomorrow for flying. Yeah. So we've substituted the bottle of Prosecco for a bottle of Bucks Fizz because I just want to be feeling tip top tomorrow.
You don't want a bit of a woolly head or headache in the morning. So as we said, we're filming this on Christmas Day, but you'll be seeing this video a little bit later.
So we want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas and we hope you have had the most wonderful day. Our glasses, I should have bought some larger like pint plastic cups, but I completely forgot. So this is what we had got in our house, was a stack of these plastic cups, but something like a thimble. Like this to me will be like a shot. I'll literally be drinking it like a shot. So I packed us 4. So we've got 2 each because it's going to take nothing to drink out of one of them, and we're literally going to be topping it up like all the time. So I bought us 4. Get that bad boy open.
Oh well.
I'm ready for a drink. Ooh. It's hot, wasn't it?
Yeah. Wasn't sure if it was going to fizz everywhere, but yeah, we're all right. Thimble.
I'm actually going to neck that.
It's like dilute. It's like...
Yeah, it's no different. Bucks Fizz is a banging drink.
Yeah.
I love how I do. It's orangeade.
It does.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Blimey.
How's your big on? Look at that.
You were definitely ready for that one.
I was. Woo. It's so funny though, because explain to everybody what I'm like with drinking alcohol.
Oh, you start off really fast, but then after your first drink, you slow right down.
Got some of that gone.
Oh wow. It's only £2 a bottle, something.
I've just already drank my second one to Matt's first one, but we were just saying that Matt drinks at a steady pace, like just a constant steady pace. Like all your drinks take you the same amount of time, whereas me, I will literally down my first couple and then I just get slower and slower and slower. And then like...
You go full then? After?
Yeah. Then I start to get full.
Yeah.
And then my last drink will last me like an hour.
Yeah. I think it's going to be a similar situation.
You are, I better touch that Asti.
Yeah, I bet.
Because I've done this Bucks Fizz. Oh, you can't beat Bucks. Oh, it's so nice. It's
definitely a Christmas
so
drink.
refreshing.
Yeah. So that's us in for the night. So we'll see you in the morning when we travel to the airport to fly with Norse.
see it. Oh my god, the weather's that crap.
Oh dear.
It's that miserable today. It is Boxing Day today. We're just parked up, waiting for the bus.
There it is.
Drop off early.
Oh.
I would certainly not miss this weather.
Definitely
it's
not.
awful. It's drizzling as well. So the weather in Florida for the rest of this week is 27 degrees, isn't it?
Yes.
And lows of 10, 11? Wasn't it? I think it said.
I don't think it's even that cold, but yeah, it is, yeah.
27 degrees.
That's like the middle of the night though.
We look at our video doorbell as well every day, don't we?
We do.
And it is literally bright blue sky, sunshine every single day. That's our tradition before we go through to the check-in desk. We nip to the Greg's in the
Arrivals.
Yeah, in the arrivals. Get some food for the plane. Okay, made it to the weather spoons. Went straight through Square, didn't we?
Yeah, no trouble.
How much does this cost?
£11 something.
That's not bad. What did you get?
It's called Pumpas Ale.
I've got Strombo Dark Fruit. It's currently 10 to 11. We've got first drink. We are boarding at 1 o'clock.
Yep.
So just chill out here with a drink until then. Here we are, gate 21 to Orlando. Get us to Orlando, eh?
Yeah, I can't wait. Right, so we just got on the flight. I think different films to last time. Yeah, definitely different films. That's some of the new ones. Free Willy. Oh, Harry Potter's on here. Deathly Hallows Part 1 and Part 2. And Sorcerer's Stone.
Not for me, sort of three films on.
It's called Sorcerer's Stone on here, but it's the Philosopher's Stone.
Yeah. Well, actually, we're watching them too. I've not looked yet. I'm still messing around with them.
35. Yeah, sorry.
So it's all on.
What a beautiful sight, the 192. Took us 8 hours, 45 minutes to get to Florida. And the choice of cars for Alimo was, there was all Nissan Sentras. So that made it really easy for us.
Yeah.
So we've got the exact same car that we had the last time.
Yeah.
And the same colour. We were going to go to Walmart to do a bit of a shop, but we are so tired that we've decided we're going to call at the McDonald's that's just up here on the right. So yeah, we're going to call here, get something to eat, and then head to our condo, and then we'll be in for the night then.
Yep.
And then tomorrow morning, I'm sure we'll be up early because of our body clocks. It's so messed up.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be an early start tomorrow.
We're going to go to Walmart in the morning. UK time, it's 1:45 in the morning, and we was awake since 6 AM.
Yeah, this morning.
Yeah. Well, yesterday morning now, isn't it?
Yeah, yesterday morning.
This morning.
Yeah, this morning to us.
There's a track.
Ponderosa.
Still says Ponderosa.
In a quarter of a mile, use the right lane to turn right onto
That
Sheriff
hasn't been
Road.
touched that, has it? Since we last come.
No.
I would have thought it would have been that other buffet by now.
I mean, what's it been?
We came in then in September. Yes, I'm sure by the time we get in our condo, have showers and stuff,
Yeah.
it's going to be like 24 hours.
Yeah, I think it, yeah.
That we're going to have been
I
awake.
think we're on track for 24 hours.
So after our lovely McDonald's, we're just on our way
Use the right lane
home
to turn
now,
right
aren't
onto
we?
Hume
We are
Steep
now.
Road.
I'll just give you some ideas to where our condo is at Bahama Bay Resort. Here is Margaritaville, and we are 8 minutes away from Margaritaville. If you want to think about buying a place at Margaritaville, prices start at mid
Continue on Feeney
600,000,
Steed Road for 3 miles.
which is way out of our
Definitely.
way out of our price bracket.
And then you've got your homeowners association fees on top of that.
Yeah.
Which apparently they're quite steep there.
I imagine they are. Must be at least £1,000, you know. It's got to be over £1,000 per month, yeah. Easy. Oh, someone's got Christmas decorations on there.
Oh, nice.
I've seen some. So obviously me and Matt have never been before at Christmas.
Not
so
at Christmas,
when we
no.
was driving from the airport, we were just saying like how weird it was to see Christmas decorations, wasn't it?
Yeah, we've not seen them close up, have we? Just seen them
No,
from,
just like
a mile
houses,
away.
like the
Yeah.
odd house that's got lights up. Yeah.
Yeah, proper decked out. Oh wow.
See if our resort's got some lights. Oh, it has! A few, but better than none.
Yeah.
Home sweet home, baby.
Very nice.
Oh, and the security
Oh, that's all trimmed up.
bit's all trimmed up, look. Oh, and there's wreaths on the gates.
Oh,
On the
wow.
other side.
Oh yeah.
So if you are new to our channel, me and Matt own this condo in Florida. Just have a quick walk around to make sure everything's alright, don't we?
Yeah.
Get some lights on.
Wow. Right.
Yeah, everything's fine here. Yep. It's a bathroom. Or one of the bathrooms. Oh, it's probably coming here.
Yeah.
Everything looks fine, Matt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, everything's fine. Wicked. And this is our ensuite. So we have got 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. 2 balconies, one out there and one out there. So it's the next morning, although it looks like it's in the middle of the night. It's actually 6:15 and we've just come to Walmart because we have been awake since 3 AM.
Yep.
So we've had 4 hours sleep.
We always struggle a little bit, don't we? First couple of nights.
Struggle
when we
so
get
bad.
there.
Yeah.
A couple of early starts. It's probably the same again tomorrow, but hopefully not. Yeah, but nice quiet Walmart shop for us to do today.
Yeah, so we was awake at 3 AM. We was in bed for an hour, just to wait one way.
Yeah.
I was like, let's get up, let's get unpacked, and let's head to Walmart for 6 o'clock-ish. So we can take a nice leisurely stroll around Walmart, see what merch they've got as well. I'm hoping they've got a lot of Grinch stuff.
Hopefully, yeah.
I really want some Grinch stuff, so
Seen
I'm
a lot
hoping.
of people wearing Grinch
Yeah, we
stuff,
have.
so
Yeah.
hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah, this is where they've got it from.
So we're going to take our time and go around Walmart, aren't
Yep.
we, this morning?
Yeah.
This is the car we've got. It's the exact same one as we had last time.
Yeah.
Nissan Sentra silver.
Lovely car.
Brilliant car, isn't
Yeah,
it?
yeah,
We
very
loved it
good.
last time.
Yeah.
Bet we'll fill it. The only time you're going to see Walmart that's empty, isn't it?
Definitely.
Got to show you this. So now Christmas is over. What's the next holiday? Valentine's Day. They've got all Valentine's Day stuff out already.
So the day after Boxing
Love
Day.
hearts. And then round here, they've got look, Valentine's Day boxes. Can't believe it already. Just looking at the clothes, looks like all the Christmas stuff has gone, unfortunately, and they're making way for Valentine's Day stuff. This is all Valentine's Day stuff. That is insane. Okay, we're just in our shopping. We've spent an hour in Walmart. How much do you think this is? I'm going to say $200.
I think 150.
All right, let's see how much it costs. Drum roll for the amount this shopping has cost us. I said 200. $200.15.
Very good.
So this is what $200 gets you at Walmart. I've displayed it so that you can kind of see what we've bought. Some of the stuff is like staples for us, isn't it? It's like what we always get when we come over here. And then some things are new to try. To find these Christmas items on the bakery that are reduced, so we've got 2 of each. And it's peppermint bark. And the other one is chocolate crispy fudge bars. I can't wait to try both of them. And of course, I've got to get the Walmart sugar cookies. These are still my absolute favourite things to eat at the minute. These are brand new that we've never tried before. And this box weighs an absolute ton. So we're excited to try them. They were in our last series of our vlogs where we tried these as part of like a US tasting video we did. We bought these to take to the parks, so we've not done that before. It's to kind of like have a little snack in the parks. And over here we've got the Hawaiian rolls, which we're going to have for lunch today. Tater salad, coleslaw, it's my absolute favourite from here. Not tried this barbecue sauce before, so that's new for us. Matt's picked up these for himself to try them. I picked them to try, not tried those before. So this stuff is, and I always get them anyway. So this stuff is kind of like when we have tea, isn't it? We also bought a pizza. This salad, we bought it last time we was here and we fell in love with it. It's absolutely beautiful. Maple bourbon bacon chopped salad. We always pick up this carrot cake. It's like $5.97. And the slices is like, they're quite expensive, aren't they? Just for one slice.
For an individual slice.
Yeah.
So it's much better value.
Much better to buy the actual whole cake.
Yeah.
So yeah, not a lot of healthy stuff. But the diet starts when we get back off holiday. I'm just saying to Matt that we've only just got home and it's 8:20. We've been up since 3 AM and we've not had a bite to eat, so we are absolutely starving, aren't we? We're ready for it.
Just trying this new coffee as well. I've not had it before. I've always wanted to try it. A little bit expensive, £3 a can, but it's really nice. It's like a chocolate mocha flavour. It's really nice. Yeah, you have to try it.
I probably won't like it. Okay, I just tried it off camera and that is absolutely beautiful. So today it is Saturday. It's 2 days after we got here. Last night we went to Universal Studios to renew our annual passes. We waited until after 6 PM to go and do that because it's free parking after 6 PM when there's not an event on. Just before we end the travel day vlog, we thought of a couple of things just to talk about before we end the vlog. The first one is, you're probably wondering how busy was Gatwick Airport on Boxing Day, and it was just like any other normal day. It wasn't overly busy and it wasn't quiet, so to us we felt like it was just any other normal travel day with the volume of people. Security, there was 0 wait, so we were straight through there. Our flight with Norse was fully booked, so the total cost for our trip for return flights and our car hire was £1,700. So now we are on our way to Disney to do the Disney hotel resort hopping because we want to see all of the Christmas decorations whilst I've still got them up. Because what we have found is that they seem to take their decorations down really, really quick, don't they? Since we've been here. Yeah. So we're going to do that today. We want to make sure we go and see all the Christmas decorations. So we're going to end this video here. Join us on the next video where we show you all of the Christmas decorations at all the Disney resorts. So we're super excited to do that today. We've only ever been to the, what was it called? Port Orleans. We've only ever been to the Port Orleans Disney Resort, which was in the last series of our vlogs. So we're just super excited to go and see the other Disney resorts and also see how they trim up and decorate for Christmas, and also try 2 of the restaurants and bars on the lake. Join us in the next video where we go and do that. So I want to say thank you so much for watching, and if you are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It's totally free to do and won't cost you a penny, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.